Use a panel or not use a panel. You get to decide.
All of the patterns in our book, Panel Pizzazz, look great with panels or running yardage. Let's show you.
Hi, it's Donna Robertson.
And Fran Morgan with Fabric Cafe.
You know, using panels can really elevate your quilt.
Now they do require just a little bit of extra cutting though, and sometimes you might not be in the mood for that.
But not to worry, our panel patterns work with panels or running yardage.
So today we're going to look at all 8 of the patterns from our book, Panel Pizzazz 3-Yard Quilts, in non-panel fabrics. Let's check out the first one. Luminous is a great pattern to show off a full-sized vertical panel or a very large fabric print. I love all the motifs on the border of this quilt. They are made with half square triangles, and we've just rotated to create this really dynamic movement around the edge, which I really like. Now, in all of our panel patterns, we can use a yard of panel and 2 1-yard cuts of fabric or 3 1-yard cuts of fabric. Now, we have found an amazing ombre-esque print to put in the center of this pattern. And this fabric is so gorgeous and so big and dynamic, it's just out there. It is. But it has all of these amazing colors, and it looks like it's hand painted. Now remember, this is not a panel. This is actually running yardage.
That is great.
But it has so many big areas of color that are so bold, and it's just gorgeous. We are going to put it in the center of this panel pattern.
Wow.
It's going to look amazing. Okay, we have paired it with a 2 and 3. We have this cream that has some really big kind of movement that's tone on tone. That will go everywhere this light blue is on this one. And then we have this is a beautiful blue. It's not dark, it's not light, it's just kind of right in the middle. Now this color will go everywhere you see the darker blue on this quilt. Now let's look at these side by side so that you can see.
It looks like you framed a piece of modern art. It's gorgeous.
It does. You know, we can now have art on our sofa. Woo! You know, we hang art on our walls all the time, but now we can put art on our sofa or a chair or a bed.
Oh, that's right. Oh, that is just magnificent.
It is absolutely phenomenal. I just really love the blue that pops on that border, and that cream is the perfect background there. And the colors are just so amazing. Now, the kit information on this one is called Prismatic Paints. It's the Luminous pattern from Panel Pizzazz 3-Yard Quilts.
Now, Breezeway is a 1-block quilt, and the focus is framed with half-square triangles and rectangles, and they create this amazing diagonal line on the quilt. And the pattern is a really nice modern flair to it as well. All of the patterns in this book can use directional fabrics in the number 1 spot, not just this one, but every single one of them can. I love it. It makes it perfect when you have difficult fabrics.
Yes.
Now, we pulled a great novelty print for this one. So we've got a spectacular hobby quilt kind of a fabric.
It's also really it's got that vintage retro flair, which I like.
Oh, absolutely. Yeah. It is just so cute. Got Route 66 and Cowboy Motel.
Oh, it's so cute.
So anyway, this is just fun fabric. And every place that you see our underwater creatures here, we're going to put some vintage cars. So that's going to be a perfect number 1. Now the number 2 fabric, it is a great companion. And that number 2 is going to be everywhere you see the light blue, so you can see where that is. So it's going to be the perfect frame for this. And then we've created the number 3 piece to be those dark anchoring corners. So we always say that that's kind of our oomph of color that kind of holds it all together. It's still has a pop of color in there using that black, but it just frames that block.
You know, this is so cool. I loved both of the first ones. I think it's a great example of how changing fabric can personalize a quilt.
You know, every single 3-yard quilt that we write it so that it makes it easy for you to be creative.
Yeah, and you're right, that black just holds it together and anchors it. Gives it such great pop.
It really does. I love it. Okay, this kit is called Vintage Drive, and it's the Breezeway pattern.
Next, we have Razzmatazz. Now, this pattern can use an 8-inch panel block right here with our little snowman. Our secondary block uses half-square triangles to create this little spinning spiral effect. Now, these alternate blocks kind of meet up at the corners right here, so that block does kind of look like there's some energy and it's spinning, and it just kind of continues all over the quilt. Our original quilt here is done in Christmas fabric, but this would look beautiful in any season fabric. So we pulled together a fall-themed kit, which is stunning.
It is.
It is stunning. So we have these trees and all of these beautiful fall colors. And this is our focus fabric. It's going to go everywhere you see the snowman block here, as well as right in the center of this little block on the alternate block, just for a little peak of color there, which I really like. Then we have paired it with a really nice soft green that has a little texture in it. This is going to fall everywhere you see the beige on this quilt. It's going to be our background to really help our trees pop. Then our number 3. Wow.
Oh, that's so
It's
fun.
this rusty color with the golds and the reds, and it's so pretty. It's kind of like the tree here on this focus fabric, which is perfect.
Yep, that's what comes next. After they become beautiful, then they start falling on the ground, and it makes the whole ground painted as well.
So that number 3 fabric is going to be bordering the center of our alternate block here, and then our half square triangles, and a little bit of the border on the outside of the quilt. So let's look at these side by side.
Isn't that fun?
On the right is our fall fabric, and I think this looks so good. It has that peaceful, refreshing feel that fall kind of has. You know that feeling when it's the first cool day after a sweltering summer and you're like, oh,
It's kind of cozy like.
that's what this quilt feels like.
Right.
All right, the kit name on this one is Fall Forest, and it's Razzmatazz.
Now the spirit pattern is a great pattern that could also be a double focus quilt. So you can see we have our panel in the one big block, and then our secondary block could house another focus fabric. These hearts are the perfect spot for you to use up some of your scraps also. You can make each one of those hearts a different color.
I love that idea.
I kind of like it myself.
I think that would be great. Okay, that puts this pattern like in this whole, it just opened up a door for me.
It's a great canvas for your creativity. It really is. Okay, let's go over this fabric because this is some fun fabric. You know, I've been kind of like obsessed with growing flowers and finding the right ones that will live in Texas heat. It's not an easy thing to do, but these are gorgeous. So I can always have flowers in my quilts. And this number 1 fabric is going to go everywhere you see the panel block here. Perfect. And then I love the fact that we've gone with a saturated color.
It is so pretty.
It is so pretty. I love that. So that's going to go everywhere that you see the beige in this quilt. And then let's just be still my heart. This is so gorgeous. Little bouquets of flowers with butterflies and dragonflies. That's going to be our secondary block or our double focus. I love spirit with the horses. I think that's wonderful. But you look over at the other one and it changes the character so much.
Totally changes. We have the little snowballed corners on the heart block, which I think is so cool because it actually makes that look more circular, like it's a circular block with a heart in it, but it's not.
I like that a lot. It does. It kind of has that continuity of doing each one of those focus blocks and joining them together. It's really cool.
Yeah, it is such a sweet quilt.
Now this kit is called Blush Blooms, and it's the spirit pattern.
If you're looking for some very simple quilt piecing, then the Villa pattern is perfect for you. It is all made with strip assembly units and strips of fabric, but it has an elegant style to it, even though it's so simple. I really love the way the 9-patch blocks here and the strip piece blocks here come together, and then it kind of carries it out onto the border. It is so good. And the panel that we've used in this and all of it together looks like it's hand-painted tiles from a villa in Italy or something like that. It is so elegant, but so simple to make. But let's see what it looks like in running yardage with a different style. This is a fun Christmas fabric, and I love that it has this jade green background. I think it is so pretty with the other green shades of greenery on top, just the leaves, the holly, the pine branches, all are wonderful. With our pops of color, with our poinsettias and our berries. It's a very, very elegant Christmas fabric, but it also has a simplicity. So I think this is going to look great in our main block here where our panel is. Now our number 2 fabric, isn't this charming?
That's so fun.
It almost makes me feel like it's the tiles again, almost like we were seeing in this. But it's our number 2 fabric, which is great. It's a very small print, and it's going to be everywhere you see the beige here. Then our number 3 fabric, of course, no Christmas is complete without the red and the green, so we have to get our red in there. This is our number 3. It's going to go in our blue, where our blue is here, and of course a little on the border. This is truly going to give us our pop that we're looking for.
Yes. I love the way that corner block, that little 9 patch, that red really helps you to also see the red in the main block.
Yes. I think it kind of adds to the festivity of it
Yes,
a little bit. And I think the focused fabric on that dark jade green is such a pretty color of green. But the cool thing is every color green is in this fabric. This kit is called Yule Bouquet, and it's the villa pattern.
Our Homestead pattern is going to be very, very fast to make. It's a simple bordered block, and then the secondary block has a minimal number of half square triangles, so this is going to go together really fast too. The pattern has a little bit of a rustic style, so we use that inspiration for our non-panel example. These are not only horses running, but it looks like they're running in the surf.
Oh, yes.
Isn't that cool?
That's kind of like, the dream come true, the romantic dream of riding a horse with the handsome man on the ocean,
And the girl is out there with her little veil-y stuff flowing in the back. Oh,
okay, that's what I'm going to picture whenever I have this quilt.
Okay, so our number 1 fabric is going to go everywhere you see the pumpkins on this quilt. Then our number 2, we're going to mimic that look of the water that the horses are running through.
Yes.
And put that in the background.
And it's a beautiful number 2 because it has a little kind of purple tones and blue tones, which I think is very, very interesting.
Right. And it does bring out all those colors because you can see a teeny bit of that purple in the surf that they're running through as well. And then our number 3 fabric is going to be the border on this first block and the little half square triangles that are on the corner block. Look at what it looks like with the horses. I love the way the number 2 kind of extends that background of the horses.
It almost, like you said, it's like almost like more water.
I really like that.
And I love the number 3 too because it has enough contrast so those little corners really pop, almost like it's adding the energy.
Yeah, I was going to say it almost looks like those are just bursting at the seam with joy.
So good, so good.
Okay, now this kit is called Ocean Gallop, and it's the Homestead pattern.
Now, Waypoint is another full-size panel-friendly pattern. You can see here a horizontal panel right in the middle. The blocks on the top and bottom are a lot of fun to make. We have 3 different size stars here that kind of mimic each other, which I think gives a lot of movement because they're different sizes. Now, they're made with stitch and flips, squares, and rectangles, so it's going to go together really, really fast. Now, we have a large festive print that is perfect for this pattern because we have our turkeys, pumpkins, our sunflowers, and it screams, okay, we're getting ready for Turkey Day.
Love it.
This is the perfect size print to go in the middle of this quilt, so it's going to really showcase it and frame it. And I think this could be really fun even hanging on the wall during the fall season because this is such a great print. Now we've paired it with this textured beige for our number 2. And I love this because it almost looks like
burlap,
rattan or burlap or it has a real organic, natural feel to the texture. This beige is going to be the background of our stars up here at the top and bottom.
That's going to look so good.
So good. But our number 3, can't leave that out.
Cranberry.
Is this wonderful cranberry? Yes. Is that what those are on there, little sprigs of
I don't know if
cranberries?
they are, but that looks like the color of cranberries.
It's cranberry salad right there.
Oh, okay. Okay, I love cranberry salad.
So we've got this as our number 3. This is what's going to be on our borders here, on our stars here. Those stars pop.
I love
really
them.
pop. And it looks so good. And I love the fact that it just really showcases our focus fabric and all of those turkeys. And those turkeys, these are nice size, it's a nice size print. So it really
Yes.
fills up that space really well. The kit information on this is Give Thanks, and it's our Waypoint pattern.
I think that the Frontier pattern has such a homey feel to it. And the simple bear paw inspired block and the bordered blocks are so easy to do. It makes me think about being curled up by the fire with the logs blazing and the log cabin walls. But what would it look like in Christmas fabric? It has everything that you and I like about Christmas. It has Christmas trees and it has the touches of gold that it is so neat. It's like somebody took a little paintbrush and went dab, 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 dab and made the shapes of the
trees.
Yeah.
It's very pretty, very interesting.
And that's going to go everywhere you see your woodland creatures on the quilt. Then we have this gold, which is our number 2. And don't you know, that is going to make an elegant quilt, have
Yes.
all of that gold behind these blocks.
Yes.
And then our number 3 fabric, it has the little stars just like are on the green.
didn't notice that.
Yeah, so it kind of mimics it. And so you've got this in our number 1 block and this in our number 2 block, and it's going to look so good. And you know what's really cool about this? We're always saying that when you use a panel, it kind of speeds up the quilt making process because you've got that little piece of art. By using big fabrics, it's made just as fast.
Oh, it is. It's totally made just
Yeah.
as fast. And you can see it works either way, running yardage, panels, whichever you want, which is great. These patterns are so versatile. I especially love the way the points, our half square triangles, are in the red. So it kind of frames our trees. And I think it just adds a lot of energy to this quilt.
Now this kit is called Shimmering Forest, and it's the Frontier pattern. So no matter what your feelings are about panels, you can make these patterns work for you.
If you are a panel fan, but you would like a little help cutting them out, then be sure to watch the video that pops up.
Happy quilting!